Hello my crypto friends, I'm Crypto G, your crypto dealer, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you buy them coins. If you think that's interesting, stay with me. Here guys we have a list of the most used exchanges. As you can see, there are really many, but I suggest that you choose one from here, from the top. But take in consideration that the more services an exchange offers, the more fees you have to pay for it. But the more money an exchange makes, the more money it should invest in security. So that's a plus. Here you can see the trust score, how many coins they sell. For example, I use Bitstamp because I pay really low fees. Here you see what coins Bitstamp sells: Bitcoin, Ripples, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and with what you can buy them, with euros, dollars, or with other cryptocurrencies. Now I'm going to show you how to use Bitstamp. This is Bitstamp guys, you'll have to register here and follow the instruction. It's really easy. They're going to ask you for a photo of an ID card. So don't panic at this point, it's not a scam, they're not going to steal your identity unless you're a movie star like me and my friend Antonio. I'm kidding guys. They just want to know their customer, that's they're asking for your ID card. They use the policy know your customer. After you register and you get the confirmation, you have to install Google Authenticator on your phone, but they're going to tell you on the instructions. And with the code you're going to log in on your account. So once you made the login, you can buy cryptocurrency with your credit card instantly, but you'll pay more fees. So I'll recommend you that you make a deposit. So you go here, make deposit, go to your bank SEPA, you write here your name, the fiat currency you use, the amount you want. After you click it on deposit, you'll get the company information. And here you have the account owner, the street address, the city, the country, and it's really important to type this message when you make the deposit. Otherwise, it's going to be hard for Bitstamp to credit the money you deposited. So be really careful. Awesome, now you got deposited the money, probably took you to 1 to 3 days, and now you're ready to buy them coins. As you can see here, you have the amount of money you deposited, and now you can make an instant order, a limit order, and a market order, a stop order. And this is the option that I told you before with credit card, that you don't need the deposit. And the instant order is going to buy it instantly. And you want, for example, you type here 25, which is the minimum, 25 euros or dollars is the minimum. Lower than that you cannot buy. And here you see the actual money you pay, because the other is fees 0.5, and the Bitcoin you get for this money. Click buy, you're ready to be rich. Limit order. Here, for example, you put the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy, 0.01. and the price you want to get it. And you see here the amount of money you have to pay for it. Click buy, and you can see your order is here, and it's going to execute when the Bitcoin price is going to get as low as here, and you can cancel it, and boom, you cancel it. No need to worry that it's going to execute if you don't want anymore. You have the market order, and with the market order you're going to buy it at the best price possible in this moment. I usually make this order. You click here the amount of Bitcoin you want, 0.001, and you can see here how much money I have to pay, and I click buy and ready to go to the moon. And here we have the stop order. With stop order you put here the amount of money you want to spend, and for 50 euros, and if the price rises too from the current price, for example 7,000, you click buy with a trailing stop, and for example let's say the price is 8,000, so the order is going to execute if the price goes 7,000 or even 9,000. So that's how stop order works. It's going to execute even it's going up or down. It's going to make the difference from the current price. But I usually use the market order and the limit order. Congrats! Now you own crypto. But you should not keep it on exchange. In the next video I'm going to tell you why. On the crypto community we say, not your keys, not your crypto. Remember, if you like this video, give me one of this. Yeah. And remember, don't be afraid. Crypto is your friend.